Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be making this beautiful, super easy DIY from the Dollar Tree. It's a floral centerpiece. And if you want to see how I make this, keep on watching. So, as I said, this is a super easy DIY. All I use for the main piece is a pail and a candlestick holder that you see here. I found the pail in the garden section, and you guys can pick really any type of base. This is just what I chose. I spray painted both pieces white, and guys, take your time when you're spray painting. As you can see here, I didn't do too good of a job. I think I was trying to go too fast and layer too many, so you can see drippage. But for me, it's fine because that's going to be the back part. No one's going to see it. I also sprayed the inside so that you don't see all that brown. You just get a little hint of that white. But again, it doesn't matter because we're going to be putting this foam piece in the middle. And it fits perfectly so you won't even see the inside. And I also sprayed my candlestick. And this is just the old candlestick that I had. It's chipped here. I didn't do too good of a job spray painting it. But again, you're not going to notice it because when you put the pail on top, as you see here, you just really can't notice it. Unless you like really look into it. So just take your time, guys, when you're either painting this or spray painting it. So here I'm just measuring the middle, and with this exact pail, it's so easy to get the middle. It fits directly in that middle circle there. So all I use for bonding is this E6000, guys. This works awesome. It's going to give you a really strong hold. Just keep in mind that it does not dry instantly. So you will need to let it dry for at least 5 hours to overnight. And also you're going to need your glue gun. I tried mixing the two because I figured that the hot glue will give me like a quick bond before. Just give me a quick bond while the E6000 dries. But I guess I took too long to adhere the two because it didn't quite stick too well. Excuse me. So I suggest that you guys let it dry like this. Here I'm just wiping off the excess. Have some Q-tips on hand in case you need to wipe any extra glue off. I made a mistake of turning it over, and you just want to leave it this way. Put something really heavy on top. As you can see here, I'm turning it over. I really was trying to make sure it's centered, but the way that the pail is, it's going to be centered no matter what because it fits, as I said, perfectly within that first ring. So I took everything off and I re-glued it with just the E6000, and I'm wiping off the excess. And again, guys, you want to put something heavy on top. It's best that you let it dry upside down like this. I just used a heavy frame that you'll see in a second. And on top of that frame, I actually used a coffee mug that I have filled with art supplies, so it's like extra heavy. And I let that sit for about 5 hours till it dried. And I also, you can just leave it like this, but I wanted to add this burlap ribbon that I found at the Dollar Tree. It's got this beautiful lace detail in the middle, and I just wanted to cover that top part. I just thought it would add something extra. But again, you guys can put whatever you want on top. You can leave it just as is. It'll be really nice. And I would suggest that you leave a little extra ribbon when you're cutting and measuring, because I measured it. I thought I measured it exactly, and I ended up having a little gap that I had to cover up with some extra ribbon. So just keep that in mind, guys. So I'm just gluing this down with my hot glue gun. And this is how it looks. And all there's left to do is to add your florals. I bought some peonies. I believe that's how you pronounce them. And I also bought some lilacs. Those are those off-white flowers that you see there. They're so beautiful. So just, guys, pick out whatever florals look good to you. And actually, this little floral foam thing here actually comes with two. I only thought it came in one. So you'll just need one for this project. You'll have one extra. And again, it fits perfectly in there. So all we're going to do is stuff it in there and cut our stems off of our little bouquets, and we're just going to arrange our flowers. Guys, I have to say, make sure that you have some floral cutters, wire cutters, because these things are hard to cut off of these bouquets. And this is how it turned out, guys. I love the way this came out. I'm so over the winter. It's mid-February now, and I'm just ready for spring. So I decided to make the centerpiece for my house to bring a little spring into the house. And guys, you guys can use this for any occasion, for weddings, for birthday parties, for Easter, whatever the case. It's so beautiful and super easy. So guys, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe. And if you are subscribed to my channel, make sure you tap that bell so you can receive notifications each time I post. Bye guys, have a great one.